more breaking news as Australia's flag carrier Qantas has announced orders for A220 and A321XLR family aircraft. On the 16th of December 2021, Qantas announced orders for 20 A220-300s and 20 A321XLRs, but with purchase rights for an additional 94 aircraft, which also includes a smaller A220-100. Qantas says deliveries will begin in the middle of 2023 through to 2033, and the A220 and A321XLR will replace the aging fleet of 717 and 737-800 respectively, of which they currently operate 75 in total. A220 burns around 40% less fuel than the 717, and the A321XLR around 10% less, but with 15% more seats and cargo, allowing Qantas to grow highly popular domestic routes between Sydney, Melbourne and Brisbane. Also, the extended range of the XLR of 4,700 nautical miles enables them to swap out the A330 or 787 operated between Sydney and Tokyo for smaller single aisles should there be not enough demand. The engine choice is not yet finalized, but expected to come only from Pratt & Whitney for both the XLR and the A220, given the A220's only engine supplier is Pratt & Whitney. This is a big blow to Boeing, as it means Airbus will make up a larger part of the Qantas fleet as of now, though Alan Joyce insists Boeing 787 will play a key role in the Qantas long-haul fleet. It's worth noting that this deal is not finalized, but expected to be finalized after June of 2022. Qantas CEO Alan Joyce stated, quote, "This is a clear sign of our confidence in the future, and we've locked in pricing ahead of what is likely to be a big uptick in demand for next-generation narrow-body aircraft." End of quote. While Airbus single aisles is new to Qantas, it's certainly not new to the Qantas group, given Jetstar already operates A320neo family and A320 family aircraft. What do you think? And will you be excited to fly the Qantas A220 and XLR, especially the XLR from Sydney to Tokyo? Be sure to comment below and follow One Sky Flyer on Instagram for more great aviation content on the way. Till we meet next time, one team, one aviation, one sky ahead.